Introducing the most authentically lifelike permanent Christmas tree ever created, the Nature's Own Fraser Fir by Santa's Own. This holiday centerpiece has been meticulously handcrafted to emulate a live Fraser fir without sparing any detail. It features such attributes as unique and random branch placement and custom made-to-link stay-lit light sets for maximum reliability and minimum light wire appearance. All of the tips are 100% injection molded from a live Fraser fir with stainless steel wire for increased realism and resilience. Other elements of this limited specialty piece include hand-painted and treated stems, branches, and trunk, and an oversized carton to allow minimal shaping for the most convenient decorating experience. This tree is also constructed to last. It is made with an oversized 2-inch diameter steel trunk and extra thick steel branch wire for additional durability. Each stay-lit light set features a corrective electronic device that ensures that the entire light set remains on and operating at the correct brightness no matter how many bulbs are removed, broken, or twisted. Each tree comes with a 5-year limited light warranty and 15-year limited construction warranty backed by US-based customer service. Santa's Own is proud to present the Nature's Own Fraser Fir, our most revolutionary Christmas creation ever.